Good morning, student. Today topic is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g. So what is gravity? The force of attraction between earth and any other body is called gravity. During the free fall of the body, free fall of the object, the acceleration of object is called acceleration due to gravity, because object fall in downward direction due to the force of gravity. Is it clear? One more term is Newton's law of gravitation. What is Newton's law of gravitation? Suppose there are two body of mass m1 and m2, and the distance between m1 and m2 is r. Then the force of attraction between two body m1 and m2 is given by F equal to g m1 m2 by r square. What is g? G is universal gravitational constant. Now we are going to derive the acceleration due to gravity. Suppose this is the earth. The mass of earth is m and the radius of earth is capital R. We can consider the whole mass of the earth is concentrated at the center of the earth, and small m is on the surface of the earth. So distance between small m and the earth is r. R is the radius of the earth. So we can write m1 equal to small m, m2 equal to capital M, and the distance between small m and capital M is r. From equation 1, F equal to, that is the force between earth and the small m mass, F equal to g m by r square. We also know that force equal to mass into acceleration. Force is denoted by F, mass is m, and acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. So we can write F equal to mg. Now equate equation 2 and 3, then mg in place of F we can write mg is equal to g m capital M by r square. Small m is on both sides, so small m is will be cancelled, and we get g equal to gm by r square. So this one is equation 4, and this is the expression of acceleration due to gravity. We have derived g equal to gm by r square. We know that mass equal to volume into density. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. Rho is the density, r is the radius of the earth. So put the value of m in equation 4, then we get g 4 by 3 pi r cube rho upon r square. R square is cancelled, then we get g equal to 4 by 3 pi g r rho. So there are two expressions for g, equation 4 and equation 5. The value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. What is r? R is the radius of planet. In this case planet is earth, which have value 6400 kilometer. M is the mass of planet. Here planet we consider earth, which have value 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and rho is the density of planet, that is earth. If we put the value of g, m and r in equation 4, then we get g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now we are going to do numerical on equation 4 and 5. If the mass of any planet is 1/4 of the mass of the earth and radius of planet is double the radius of the earth, then what is the acceleration due to gravity of the planet? So acceleration due to gravity of planet at gm by r square, acceleration due to gravity of planet at g mp by rp square. Here m is the mass of earth and r is the radius of the earth. In this case, what is gp? gp is acceleration due to gravity of a planet, mp is the mass of the planet, and rp is the radius of the planet. According to the question, mp by m equal to 1 by 4 and rp by r equal to 2. Divide equation 2 by 1 when gp by g equal to gmp by rp square divided by gm by r square. So g mp upon rp square gm by r square. Here g is cancelled by g, so gp by g equal to mp by m into r by rp. Now put the value of mp by m, 1 by 4, rp by r, in this case 1 by 2. So gp by g equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 16.